How about one for the Ram fans? Here's a 1988 Dodge Ram D Series regular cab pickup. All right, underneath the hood, 360 V8 power, so 5.9 liter. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician did note the AC did not blow cold, may need to recharge, a little attention there. Take a look at the chrome on the front bumper and the grille, headlight surrounds. Good looking up front in this truck, and of course that iconic Ram hood ornament. Medium blue paint, nice shine to it. Paint shows well. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, bed, and all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Painted to match wheel, center caps, beauty rings, radial tires, and those are date coded 2022. Plenty of life left in them, as well as the tread. Let's take a look down this passenger side. I've noticed there's just a few spots where there's a couple dings, and I don't know if I can even get it to show up. They're pretty minor. I'm being pretty picky, but I thought if I could show you, get them to show up. One was on this door. It's about right in that area, but like I said, it's pretty minor, pretty tough to get it to show up. The paint, like I said, it shows well in this truck. Interior also in nice shape, blue on blue. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Stick around to the very end of this. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. You can see the bed has a bed mat in it, rubber one. Those panels nice and straight. You can see those lower rockers and around those wheel wells. Look good. So here's one spot back here I'm going to point out. Maybe a little right there. Chrome in the rear bumper looking good. You can see the receiver. Need to tow anything. This truck checked out very well in the service department also. Noted the brakes were 100% in the front, 70% in the rear, brake straight, no pulls. Only thing he mentioned was just some minor weeps coming from the powertrain, and that was it. And once again, all those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's take a look down this driver's side. A few little touch-up spots on this side where you can see it's been touched up. And again, those are kind of tough to see in the camera here. And a couple little spots right there where there you go. You see just a couple little dings. Don't get me wrong. Again, truck looks good in person. Be a fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Don't see a lot of these vintage Rams like this left from the 80s. And if you like Dodge trucks, maybe just a Mopar fan, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. I'm going to pull that key a second so we don't have to listen to that warning chime. There's a good look at that door panel. Carpeting, seats of course, no rips, tears, or holes in the seats. It looks like we may have a little, it's kind of a little, I don't know if it's a burn or a little imperfection in the back of the seat. Nothing too major. Rear sliding glass. Visors in place. Cruise control. I believe the tech mentioned the cruise control worked, and there is a manual choke there if you need it. I have not had to use that when I've started this. AM/FM cassette stereo. Odometer reads 02828. Can't confirm if that's 102, 2800. I would guess 102. It does have a clean Carfax, no accidents indicated on it. No real high mile readings on there either. Take a look at the top of the dash, looks good. I've not played around with this stereo at all. Let's try it on and off. Let's go to FM. Stereo working. You can see Dodge LE there, so I believe LE would have been a trim package, option package. I guess you Dodge fans can let us know that. Badged as a D150 with the LE package. That does coincide with the Carfax stating it's a D150. Would have had D100s and D150s, basically both half tons. One was kind of a heavy duty half, the other was regular half, is my understanding. And you Dodge fans, if I'm incorrect, make a comment down below in the comment section below this video if you're watching it on YouTube. Here, that sounds good. It has like a glass pack on it. If you look at the underside pics where the exhaust can be seen. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front here. Let's go ahead, take a peek underneath this hood. Underside of the hood, you can see that hood liner, it's clean. So is this engine bay too. So again, 360, 5.9 liter. There's a battery disconnect here when it's in storage in between drives. Power steering, power brakes, AC. It appears to be a newer compressor, but it doesn't look like it's ever been converted from the R12. So again, to blow cold, the AC would need a little attention, recharge, what have you. Smooth runner though. And one we don't see too often here, 1988 Dodge Ram D-Series. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1988 Dodge Ram pickup truck. A regular cab. Amazing condition. The outside and the inside, amazing condition. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. Just looking at the gauges, I'm thinking, is that restored or just out of a time capsule? It's so nice. Our battery gauge is charging a little over half. The coolant temperature is right about a quarter of the way up. It's still warming. Oil pressure is halfway up the gauge, and the fuel gauge shows 3/4 of a tank. Nice rumble coming out of this truck. The wipers work on this truck. The heater works. The radio is also working. Dolby stereo cassette. Looks like the original radio. I've not tested cassette, but FM is working well. Got wing windows in the doors for natural ventilation. Very nice condition upholstery, but for I think one cigarette burn that I see. Very nice cloth bucket bench seat. Blue matching throughout with wood grain in the dash. 1988, possibly the end of the craze of wood grain, although I've seen it into the 2000s. Nice smooth braking. Got the Ram hood ornament. One of the most iconic hood ornaments, at least for a truck, ever. Power steering working well. Even the steering wheel in amazing condition. Corners the way you'd expect for this truck.